And what's up, you guys? Welcome back to Kicks 2 Heat. As many of you guys know, I do post daily. Today we are going to be working on, as you guys see right here, the Kobe Bryant. Look at these. I'll give you guys a glimpse real quick around. My goodness, I pulled these out the box and realized I used to ball in these like crazy. I used to do so much to these, and I'm like regretting it now. So I'm like, you know, it's time to clean them up. It's time to get them fresh. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be trying to get these as fresh as I can. And I'm going to show you guys something, because I do see from age and from me balling and from me using these so much, they did turn yellow all around, as you guys see. So what I'm going to do, right, is I'm going to clean these bad boys up. As you guys see, this dirt stuck in there. Holy cow. Hard as a rock. Hard as a rock. All right, guys, let's try to get that out of there. But I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be using today. So as you guys see right here, MGK cleaner. Such a good cleaner right here. Does work very well. I'm going to show you guys. I do use it on most of my shoes. Then I do have hydrogen peroxide. This always eliminates all the odor and then picks up everything that I do need, so it's a plus. Then right here, I do have my soap. And with this, actually, I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be doing, because we are going to be getting started. I have my two brushes right here. Okay, so I have very, very warm water right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pour this right in. Okay, perfect. So yeah, about quarter of the cup, half of the cup almost. I'm just going to, as you spin that around. Okay. Smells very good. Let's go, you guys. Okay. So what I'm going to be starting off with is the long brush. Why am I going to start off with the long brush? Because I want to get in all the spots that I can. Because the smaller brush is actually going to help me out a lot better. This is the medium brush. So this brush right here, you guys will see what it does. So let's get started, you guys. Perfect. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to dip this right into here. Dipping my brush right in there, as you guys see. Going to pull that right out. Okay. Perfect. Now I'm going to go do the same thing on the other side. Dip that right in. I'm going to pull that right out. Alright, guys. Let's get to work. So let me get this cup out my way and show you guys bigger view. Perfect. Let's go, you guys. So what I'm going to do is actually... important step. Spray this down before you guys do start anything. Just spray it all around. Okay. Perfect. So now, what I'm going to do, right, is I'm not going to apply the MGK first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean all this up first. So I'm going to show you guys. Perfect. I'm going to scrub this bad boy. Okay, we're scrubbing away. As you guys see, we want to get in all the spots on the shoe. Perfect. So far, that's just that. So it does get a little dirty. So what I do is I'll dip it into a different water cup so it doesn't get as dirty and you're not picking up the same amount of dirt. So I'm going to do that. Just gonna go around. Go around the whole shoe. Ooh, this is a dirty one. Wow, this is a dirty one. Look at my hands, guys. Holy cow. These shoelaces, look at these. I'm going to be washing these bad boys as well. So I'll pull these out real quick. Okay, perfect. Now let's get this back going. As clean as possible, so I'm just been going crazy. You just want to get the whole shoe. You don't want to miss any spots. Like, for example, you want to clean that tongue up. Make sure that stays clean, okay? Look at that dirtiness, you guys. Oh my gosh. Isn't that crazy? So I'm going to dip it into there, and then I'm going to put it back into my clean one after I do clean it off. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go all around the shoe. Go crazy. We go crazy. Okay. As you guys see, this is how it's looking so far. So from how they looked earlier to now, they are getting better. They're getting better. I gotta say, they're progressing. And now I'm gonna grab this brush, do the same thing. Okay, perfect, you guys. So now what I'm gonna do, right? Now that that is all done, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray this all around. Okay, perfect. Now this is when it's time for the MGK cleaner. So now what I'm gonna do is, since all this is already picking up, I'm gonna add the MGK cleaner, which is gonna clean everything that I want to be clean. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean this brush off real quick. Okay, perfect. Now, as you guys see, I'm gonna add this MGK cleaner. Such a good cleaner for many guys that don't use it. Okay, I got it right on my brush, right? Let's get to work. Now it's gonna get right into where I want it to get. Clean away, clean away. Get in every spot, like I said. Okay. So this cleaner, as you guys see, changed it a lot. Made it a lot better to pick up for everything. When I wipe it all down, you guys are gonna see what happens. I'm definitely excited to get these brand new again. I am gonna get these brand new again. I promise you guys that. You guys saw in the beginning of my video how messed up they were, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do one last step with you guys, and then you guys are gonna have to come to my next video and see what I do there, because it's about to be insane. You guys are gonna be like, he's a magician after I'm done with these bad boys. So perfect, you guys. I scrubbed them all up, I went crazy. I definitely got everywhere. I've been scrubbing with you guys for a couple minutes now. So yeah, as you guys see, this is how they're looking right now. Rest in peace, Kobe. I'm hoping to get these fixed up again. So thank you guys all for watching. I appreciate you guys' support. I know I'm a little dirty right now, but that doesn't mean anything, because as you guys see, so far, now all that dirt that was there is all off. It was all built up, guys. All really hard too. So I got all that off, so that's a plus. That's the first step. We got a couple more steps away to getting these brand new, you guys. So I'm excited for this. I'm gonna show you guys each and step by step, and you guys are gonna just be shocked on how these come out, because these are a nice shoe. They're called the Christmas Kobe's, if you guys didn't know. If I wipe that off, they do have his signature right there, Kobe Bryant signature right there, and on the tongue it does have the Mamba, you know. So it's pretty fire all around this shoe. So we're gonna get this back in shape, and I'm gonna do this with you guys. So I'm gonna grab this real quick, I'm gonna wipe my hands off, and not only that, we're gonna wipe the shoe off. But before I wipe the shoe off, I'm just gonna let you guys know, peace. I'm gonna show you guys under this in my next video. Stay tuned.